it's trains.
This is not train.
Because you see where it's from?
Yeah, Mama.
It's from Japan.
And from my grandma. Yay.
It's from which
Grandma's not in Japan right now,
Mama
Connor.
Jam.
But she did send it to him.
Ooh.
Me teddy.
What are these?
Me teddy. Yay. Let's play it. Let's play it.
Mommy has to help you though.
Yeah. That's our buddy.
We have the sushi kit
Yeah.
and the bento box kit. So which one do you want to make first? That one?
No.
Connor, you want to make sushi?
Yeah. That iTunes.
Ice cream.
My dad iTunes.
No. Candy.
Teddy. Yeah. That Diddy. Are you Diddy?
We're going to need to get some water though.
Why?
Because you have to use water.
Yours?
Hold on. Don't take it all apart yet. We got to figure it out first.
I have more? I have more? No. Mommy, those teddies.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Get all our pieces.
Are you excited, Connor?
I have that juicy one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 14 is a 4. And 14 is a 4.
You've never seen this before?
I've seen it on the computer.
I
Hold
want
on, hold
to
on.
have
Mommy's got to figure it
a
out, baby.
cell phone.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy have cell phone. Oh, tiny one. My tiny.
Mm-hmm.
My tiny cell phone.
That's a tiny shovel.
Yeah, if I did sing this. Tiny.
Okay.
Okay.
And number 1.
Number 1. I have this one.
Mm-hmm.
I have this one.
Yes,